Another late night at the office. And that sounded extremely creepy, didn't it? Oh boy, that. Sorry, I didn't mean to be creepy. I'm just going to stop talking. Well, I just meant that, oh boy, there's no way this isn't going to sound creepy, so I'm just going to say it. Well, we normally get the train at the same time. You know. Okay, I feel a little less creepy now. But, I've been doing a lot of late nights at the office, and I've been getting the later train, and, you've also been getting the later train, so I just assumed, which isn't really a good thing to do, so... Sorry? Oh, you have been working late. Well, that's good. I mean, that's not good. I mean, it might be good. I mean, you might really enjoy working late. Just because I don't doesn't mean that you don't. And, good. I'm not ordinarily this awkward. It's just I haven't been sleeping much. And, okay, I am this awkward. I'm just, I don't even know why I'm talking to you, to be completely frank. And again, that sounds so bad. I apologize. I'm just, tired. So, I'm from London, and no one talks to anyone else on public transport. Ever. Even if the train's on fire, we don't talk to each other. And here I am talking to you, which is... bit weird. It's just, I'm trying this new thing of trying new things. You know, I really should have started this conversation when I was more awake, more caffeinated. My coffee cup, oh, it's not a coffee cup, it's tea, because I'm English. I swear I'm not a cliche, just mostly a cliche. Yeah, I have a problem. I am addicted to tea. And, anyway, enough about that. I, only moved here 3-4 months ago for work. And I love my job, I do. It's fantastic. It's just, I only ever lived in London before moving here, and I haven't really made any friends. I don't really talk to anyone. I mean, I talk to people at work, but that's not... I mean, that's work, not... I mean, we're not friends, we're colleagues. And, I just... I've been feeling a bit lonely. Is that pathetic? It feels pathetic, but it's not pathetic. I mean... I don't know what it is, but... making friends is just so difficult, and you feel so self-conscious. It's like being in high school again. Only I have much better hair now. And I don't have to wear a uniform. So I googled it, because that's what you do when you have a problem. You Google it while eating chocolate cake. and drinking a lot of tea. And Google said, try new things. Do things that you would never ordinarily do. And talking to you is that. Because I'm talking to someone on public transport. This is so not something that I would do. This is, I don't even know what this is. A bad idea, a mistake. Super awkward and maybe slightly creepy. That is what this is. And I'm going to go. I'm going to leave you be, leave you in peace, and I'm just going to go and sit over there and yeah. Are you sure? Because I mean, this is full on awkward. You don't think it's awkward, you think it's sweet. Sweet. I'll take that. I will gladly take that. So, we always get the same train. I said that already. But you said that you noticed? Good. So that means we're commuter friends already. So, you know, it's only a hop, skip, and a jump to being friends. I don't think it works like that, but I'm not quite sure how this works. It's been a while since I've made a friend. I mean, I've got friends, don't get me wrong, I have friends. I just, you know, making a friend, all my friends are friends I had when I was a teenager, university, all that. This is a lot harder. I think because I'm more self-conscious. Didn't mean to say that last bit out loud. So, you've been working late. I've been working late. Kind of not sure what to do next. I mean, I have a list of conversation starters, but my name. I haven't told you my name. And that in itself is a conversation starter, because my name's Honey, and I'm not a stripper. Well, I mean, no, I was going to make a joke, but I just because you're, you know, nothing. I wasn't going to say anything. I am having a really English moment. So tell me, are you as tired as I am? Because I am utterly knackered. I really need some sleep. These late nights at work, they're kind of good but also bad. I mean, it's less time, you know, staring at the walls of my apartment, but it's less time to, you know, find people to talk to. Only not because I'm talking to you. So, I am I'm not quite sure what to say next. Oh, we're almost at my stop. So, Saved by the Bell. No, oh no, it's not. It's not that I haven't enjoyed talking to you talking at you. I've been talking at you. It's been nice. It's been really nice. And, I would like to talk at you more. Talk to you more. Did I mention that I need to sleep? So, what? Oh no, I'm going into the office at the normal time tomorrow, so yeah, we'll be on the same train. You'll save me a seat and we can continue the conversation. Or, you know, we could have an actual conversation where I don't just talk. Because I swear, I do listen as well. I'm actually quite a good listener. Just not when I'm feeling very self-conscious and utterly knackered. And in need of tea. Anyway, my stop, which I've already said. Have I mentioned that I need some sleep? So I will go, and I will see you tomorrow, and I will bring you a biscuit. And that's not a bribe. It's a little bit of a bribe. Part bribe, part apology, but also these biscuits are amazing, and you need to have them in your life. Because biscuits make everything better. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow. Can meet a friend, soon to be a friend. I'm just going to stop talking now, and I will see you in the morning. It was nice talking to you too. And I don't know your name. I didn't ask you your name. That is so awful. Oh boy. What is your name? You'll tell me tomorrow. Really? I have to bribe you with a biscuit to get your name. You know, you remind me of someone. Who? I'll tell you tomorrow. I'll see you in the morning. I'm looking forward to it. Bye.